Hey guys, I'm going to be making another video on Flood Escape again. I'm sorry I always make videos on this game. I like this game a lot, but I'm back with Flood Cruiser Pro and Bratty Princess 55. And yeah, let's get on to the video. And I'm still here with LeBron, of course, because he is still having a sleepover. I mean, of course. He just came over. Alright, LeBron. Okay. So, if this happens, at first, I thought that was Darkside Facility. If it was, I would be mad. Okay, cool. Lord. Can you give me invite? Okay, yeah. A D. Who are you? Who are you? Press the buttons. Swim fast. Grab that air tank. Work together. Okay, work with me. Work together with me. Okay. Let's go. Oops. Oh. Bloppers. Home? Come on. What the? Oh. I'm not gonna watch a laggy person. Plus, I will watch my friends. No one else. Right, LeBron James?
I had that skin. That was my first skin.
What skin?
That purple.
That purple tank? How's this your first skin? You cannot look like this.
No, not that.
No idea. Okay, maybe.
Go on skin.
Okay.
That one.
I know. That one, now you got this one.
Yeah.
I can, for some reason, I think I can buy all of the skins. Actually, wait. I don't think I would be able to. I don't have enough coins for everything.
They got new skins.
No, they haven't gotten new skins. I mean, from like a while. It's been like a long time. Okay, you know what? I do not want these. I'm just gonna lock it. Okay, abandoned facility. I hope I just get some XP. But even though it's the boring, it's insane. And not fun. No fun. Everybody hates this map. Except for noobs.
Noobs don't even know how to play this map.
Of course, no one knows how to play this map if you're new. Okay. Yeah, of course, anyone could solo this.
I always run out of air in this one.
Yeah, maybe because you don't grab the air bubble.
No, I do.
Yeah, maybe you're in a noob server. Whenever I was like level 26, I was really happy whenever there was pros in there for some reason. And wait. Oh! Come on. Get in. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, what the? Okay, come on. What's next? Come on. Okay, Gloomy Manor. I hope I win again. And I hope I get more XP. Even more. More. I want more. I want more than everybody. I want to take over the world of XP. Okay. I found a way how to glitch easier. Better than just doing the left way. I'm just gonna do the right way. You know what? I like hitting this button. Yes, I do. So don't judge what I like to press. On Wild Savannah, I like those bing, 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 bing one, not the one that's kind of hard to get up. No! I'll try the shortcut. No.
Shortcuts are way easier.
No, they're not really. Some could be. You never know what shortcut it is. If you see it, you can take it. If you want. If you don't want to die, I won't take it.
Right, you can't always rely on it.
Yeah. Okay, once I have about I'm actually, since the past, I think I'm abandoned facility again. I'm just gonna do it backwards. I've done it before a whole lot of times on a computer, and of course I win. No duh. And I did it solo before, so technically I could call myself abandoned facility solo backwards pro. Huh.
You got a whole lot of Robux this week.
Yeah, okay. In total, I probably had about maybe 10,000. And I'm getting even more Robux, even more, because I got some money from my friends, and my friend Devin got me a $10 Robux card, and also $10. And LeBron gave me $10 from a $10 GameStop card, and my friend Colton gave me $8. So I technically have about $30. I mean, no, actually I got $29 because LeBron had an extra dollar in his pocket, and then he gave it to me. So now I got one more dollar, and then I could get about 3,000 Robux. So that's a lot of Robux. I mean, of course, everyone gets a lot of Robux on their birthday if they really want Robux. No duh. Yeah, LeBron.
I already know it. I hope you give me some Robux for my birthday.
Yeah, maybe.
That's what I'm gonna save up for. Robux.
Yeah, but all you can do to play is from using someone's device or going to the library. I don't like going to the library now. I don't like being quiet.
That's why we go down to the teen. It's in the teen section. You can be as loud as you want. Well, not really, because then they come in and
Say shh. Yeah, of course.
upstairs
It's a library.
they shush you. You can actually talk.
Yeah, actually, I concentrate on Flood Escape too if no one talks. So I actually enjoy it a little bit, but in other words, no. And I literally, oh my god. Wait, how long have I been recording? I'm okay. Okay. Because imagine we were recording for 20 minutes. Because I usually like to record up to 15 to 20 minutes. So, I'm going to end it at 17 minutes. Okay. Oh, what is it? Oh, this one. Literally, no one's been chatting after I said that. Let's go. Oh my god. I glitched through this before. I know I can do it again. Oh. At first I thought it was glitched. But nope. And he got me, oh yeah, my friend Devin, he got me a card from Walmart. If he got me one from GameStop, I probably would have had about $60 from it. But I did get something that I have no idea where it's at in my inventory. I mean, in my avatar area. No idea. Could be a hat. Probably is. Have you uploaded a video? No. I'm still wrecked. Oh, dude. I literally lost connection, so I had to make a new video, so, yeah. Okay. Oh, almost died, because I'm a noob. Okay, unlike me, a noob. Okay, I'm a noob. 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 Okay, Crystal Caverns. I really hate this map, honestly. If this map comes up on the hard, and I'm like, oh my god, I really want to reset now. This always makes me feel like I want to do. Oh my gosh, I can't believe other YouTubers can talk too much. I try to talk a lot so I don't have to be quiet, so you guys are like, are you still there or something? But I just can't take it. I need to stop talking. Sit back and relax to the music. Oh, sorry. Dude, nothing to be sorry about. LeBron, you going to sleep?
No, just resting my eyes.
Oh. I'm not tired. No idea what you're talking about. I mean, no idea why you're tired. Okay. I was gonna say, every time I go for that button, I always slip off that part. On my phone. Not like I do on my, on the computer. I use, oh, almost fell. Let's go. Nobody's perfect. I found your channel too. Oh, yay! Can you sub? Oh my gosh, I can't believe, that's just weird. Like, oh. Man, did I just die? I thought I jumped. But oh! Well, that's just a rip. Oh! Oh! Yay. 6,500 coins total. About 7,000 almost. I need to stop talking now. We have a lot of time. Bratty, you gonna hit those buttons up there? What did that person just say? Hey ladies, what? That's hilarious. Hey ladies, I'm just a weirdo. Okay. Don't want to be fast at this. Okay, I know I'm gonna die already. I already know that. I already know I'm gonna die, guys. I already know. Actually, you know what? Since I always die, I'm just gonna do that. Okay. And I beat Singing Ship on camera. Woo! Finally. Just finally. Wait, how have I been recording? Okay. I'm okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's see if I can level up. I'm gonna be level 72 before I go downstairs to play on my Wii with LeBron. LeBron, you still awake? LeBron. I think he's asleep. Well, I do not want to wake him up. Because, of course, I don't want him waking me up. Okay. Okay, yay. I don't care how much gems I have. I honestly do not need them. Any requests that you want me to buy with my gems? Because I'm just gonna, because I could just buy something that's around 162. I mean, there's only something for like 100, 250, 600. Tell me what kind of tank you want me to buy in the comments. Because I honestly do not know. Like, you could choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, any. I already have this one because Bratty dared me to get it. After all, my hair is purple, just to make it match. I'm starting to get a little bored now because playing maps like this makes me really bored. And, you know, me be able to beat every single map on Flood Escape, boring after that. I mean, I'll quit Flood Escape whenever I have like 2 rebirths, or if I can complete all the maps backwards and backwards solo. That's when I'll probably quit. Maybe. We'll see. No idea when I'll quit. If I reach 2 rebirths, I just might want to keep playing. Maybe. By then, I won't be able to go for the leaderboards because school. But in the summer, I could go for the leaderboards. And if I had a computer, that would work. But this computer that we have right now doesn't even work. We've been had it for like years. And so I'm just going to, if it was in the summer and there was a computer working, then I would totally go for the leaderboards. I'll be up for it, no matter how much. And we'll probably have 16 subscribers now since Flood subscribed. And thanks, dude. Plus, I do forgive you about the playing with Bratty on my oh my gosh, I have to die. You know what? I just might leave without getting level 72. I'm just bored now. Oh my gosh, I do not want to do this. So yeah, guys, this is the last video I'm going to be doing. I'm not recording another video, no matter what people say. Like, I'm dying for you to make another video. I will not be making another video today, because I do not. I'm just going to be playing my Wii and then play until I fall asleep. So, yeah. So, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to slap that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the notifications when you're notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.